Imagine writing a short script, uploading a reference image, clicking one button, and instantly getting a cinematic multi-shot video with dialogue, character consistency, camera motion, and realistic action. Not a collection of clips, not fragmented generations, a complete structured sequence. That's exactly what Kling 3.0 from Higgsfield is promising. And today, we are going to test it step by step inside the official Higgsfield.ai platform. Explore its most powerful features, compare it with older video models, and see whether this is truly the most production-ready AI video engine available right now. By the end of this video, you'll know how to generate multi-shot cinematic videos, create consistent characters, add dialogue with native audio, and use Kling 3.0 inside a professional workflow, even if you are completely new to AI video tools. Let's begin. Welcome back to TriTech AB, where we explore the latest AI tools, creator technologies, and platforms that help you create faster, smarter, and more professionally than ever before. If you love AI filmmaking, content automation, and next-generation creator tools, make sure to subscribe because the tools launching this year are changing everything. Before we jump into the demo, let's quickly understand what makes Kling 3.0 different. Higgsfield is one of the fastest growing generative AI companies focused specifically on creators and production pipelines. Instead of building experimental tools designed only for short social clips, the company is focusing on something far more ambitious: production ready AI video generation. Kling 3.0 is their newest AI video model, designed around a unified multimodal architecture. That means text prompts, reference images, character elements, audio instructions, and scene direction are all processed together inside one system instead of separate fragmented tools. This unified approach allows the model to maintain character identity across shots, keep objects consistent, follow cinematic directions, and generate longer structured sequences without losing coherence, something that many earlier AI video models struggled with. Another major upgrade is multi-shot generation, where the model automatically generates multiple cinematic shots in a single run, controlling camera angles, transitions, and framing without needing separate prompts for each scene. Add to that native audio integration, realistic lip sync, improved instruction following, longer 15-second generation windows, and more accurate text rendering, and Kling 3.0 starts looking less like a simple AI video generator and more like a full production engine. Now let's open the platform and see how it actually works. We are now inside the official Higgsfield.ai website, and this is where all Kling 3.0 generation happens. Important note: there is currently no official mobile app, so make sure you're using the official website when creating your projects. On the dashboard, you'll see multiple generation modes available. Kling 3.0 supports text to video, image to video, reference to video, and advanced modification workflows where you can transform or extend previously generated clips. For this first example, we'll start with text to video generation. I'm entering a cinematic prompt describing a dramatic nighttime city scene with a character walking through rain-lit streets while the camera performs a slow cinematic push-in. I'll select the Kling 3.0 model, choose the 15-second duration option, and start the generation. While the model processes the video, notice that we are not defining individual shots manually. Kling 3.0 automatically plans shot composition, camera movement, and transitions based on prompt structure, something that dramatically simplifies the filmmaking workflow. Once the video is ready, you can preview the output directly in the platform. The camera motion is smooth, lighting remains consistent, and the subject identity is maintained across the entire sequence without sudden distortions. Next, let's try image-to-video generation, where Kling 3.0 demonstrates one of its strongest capabilities: element consistency. I'm uploading a reference character image and generating a new scene where the same character appears running across a rooftop while the camera tracks sideways. Because the system locks key visual attributes, the character's appearance remains stable even during complex camera motion. This is one of the biggest workflow advantages for creators building episodic content, advertisements, or cinematic storytelling projects. Now let's explore one of the most powerful features: multi-shot direction. Instead of generating single shot clips and manually editing them together, Kling 3.0 can generate entire multi-shot sequences. Compared to earlier versions such as Kling 2.6, the 3.0 release introduces stronger instruction following, longer sequence continuity, improved camera logic, and native audio integration that significantly reduces post-production steps. Earlier systems often required multiple tools for generation, editing, and synchronization. But Kling 3.0 brings these capabilities into a single unified architecture. This integration is what makes the platform particularly attractive for creators who want speed without sacrificing cinematic quality. As AI video technology continues to evolve, unified multimodal systems like this are likely to become the standard approach for large-scale content generation. After testing the workflow, the biggest strengths of Kling 3.0 are multi-shot cinematic generation, strong character consistency, native dialogue integration, and streamlined production pipelines that reduce editing time dramatically. While no AI video model is perfect yet, the improvements in coherence, structure, and control bring this generation of tools much closer to real production use than earlier experimental systems. For creators looking to scale cinematic content production, advertising teams building rapid concept visuals, or filmmakers exploring AI-assisted workflows, Kling 3.0 is definitely a platform worth exploring right now. If you want to try Kling 3.0 yourself, check the links in the description where you can access the official user guide, prompt tips, and premium plan discounts available through Higgsfield. If this video helped you understand how next-generation AI video tools work, make sure to like the video, subscribe to TriTech AB, and turn on notifications so you don't miss upcoming tutorials where we test the newest AI creator platforms launching this year. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.